Yoncé. It's your girl Breyoncé coming at you with a Breyoncé slay. And today we're gonna be doing a ponytail slay, as you can see. And my hair, as you can see, it's already a little bit straight, but I'm over this flat iron. I'm over it. Anyways, I'm ready to get into this slay. I know y'all ready for me to get into this slay and see me all slay. You want a comb, you want some rubber bands, brush, blow dryer, and BeesWax. Yeah, quarantine got me like Spritz. It just sprayed, so let's have hope. Let's have hope. It's gonna be our little insider joke. If you seen my other video, you should go watch it. Full bottle. We gonna have hope. My second favorite kind of phone. I'm gonna have like two little thank-you down in the front.
I decided to blow dry my hair because even though it looked straight, y'all, my roots was a little nappy, so I had to just go in there and attack them real quick. You'll need to find a good placement for your ponytail. I decided I wanted to go with a high ponytail.
Boom, we're done. And that's the setup for today.
I'm just playing.
Anyway, this is not even my comb.
So I part my hair by drawing like a lowercase n is the best way to like explain it. I twisted the two strands of hair to keep them out of my way during this style. Take a little edges out so you have something to style when you're done doing the ponytail. I went back in with the rat tail to define my parts, and here you see me putting beeswax on the perimeter of my hair. This is to slick it for this style. As you can see, I'm combing the beeswax into my hair so I can slick it for this install. And if my hair is curly, I usually do this in layers, but since it's already straight, I just have to do this on the perimeter of my hair. And as you can see, I slick it with my hands, then spray it with a little bit of spritz, and I go over it with the blow dryer. And I just go over it with the brush to make sure that it's extra slick. And you see me go back with the blow dryer. A little got to be won't hurt. I do the same for the back. Remember I said I wanted a high pony? Well, yeah, that's still it. So now I'm putting it into the ponytail. Brush any flyaways. To prep your ponytail, you want to braid your real hair, and you can use cankalone hair if you need to. If your hair ain't long enough, it's fine. We all been there. But you just want to braid your hair and put a rubber band at the end.
Okay. Cool, baby. My arms.
I initially put my scarf on to protect my hair while I'm doing the ponytail portion. The method I decided to use for this ponytail was to sew it. You can use glue, that's fine. It'll be best to insert the needle inside of the weft before you start the ponytail to make sure that you actually got the needle inside of the weft. I do that clearly because duh, I can't see behind me. You're probably wondering why I'm sewing the ponytail instead of gluing it. Well, sewing makes it more secure. And this one time I went to this party and I did me like a glue-in ponytail, and yes, I was doing that. And the next thing you know, I'm in the bathroom trying to wrap my ponytail back around. So yes, I personally sew my ponytails in. A breakdown of this technique is you want to wrap it a couple of times. Make sure you keep the thread out of the way. And you want to wrap it a couple of times, and then you want to go in, and then you want to insert the needle inside of the weft and then pull. You'll keep doing that until you get to the end of the ponytail, or should I say top. Either way, you get what I'm saying. After I flat ironed my hair, I decided I wanted curls, but before I put any heat to my hair, I always put on heat protectant. For the 2 strands, I took 2 really small pieces of track and I glued them under the leave out after putting glue protectant on my hair. Of course, I just put heat protectant on my hair. To pull the complete look together, I went in and curled the 2 strands. I didn't want them too curly, so I pulled them down a little bit. Rub a little bit of oil in your hands because you don't want your hands dry while you're splitting your curls. I do my edges with a little Gatsby. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure that you turn on the bell so you can receive notifications for the next time I post. With that being said, see ya.